Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial of in OpenBox channel. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change the Microsoft Edge theme into dark theme or dark mode. So I'm going to show you how to change in dark mode Microsoft Edge in the new Chromium version. So first of all you just have to go to the three dot menu here and open the settings option. In the gear icon here, click on settings, and in the left here you can see there's an option called appearance, so you have to click on the appearance option, and you can see there's an option called default theme, so it's light here. So if you expand that option, and you can see there's an option called dark, so if you click dark here, and now you can see the Microsoft Edge new version is now in dark mode or in dark theme. So if you open a new tab here, so you can see everything in the Microsoft Edge is now in dark or black. The address bar, the top tab here, and also the links here are all in black on dark mode. So that's it guys, that's how you turn on dark mode in Microsoft Edge new Chromium version. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.